All right, my name's Peterson. I work with the crew at Lite here in Idaho. And what we're working with this morning before work is just getting a little bear crock-pot roast going, and we're gonna turn it into pulled barbecue bear sandwiches later today for the crew. What we have here is a bear I shot over in western Idaho. First bear, beautiful bear. There's a lot of misconceptions out there about bear being edible or tasty, and I can tell you firsthand, it's really simple to work with and it's delicious.
You're gonna eat well.
I know most people are aware of what trichinosis is, but for those who may not be, it essentially means worms, and it means you need to fully cook the bear through. Slow cooking, it's a really good way to go because you're usually getting it up to, easily over 200 degrees. You don't have anything to worry about when you're eating that bear. We'll get to work here. When I'm just working with 1 or 2 pounds, I'll usually do like a half a pepper, half an onion. This is likely off a hind leg of the bear. I usually just get a container of the low sodium vegetable stock. Again, I don't think it really matters as long as you've got vegetable or some sort of animal stock. It's important to try and cover up the meat. Add in all our veggies. It cooks down a lot. Some green chilies here, 1 or 2 cans. Just add a little something extra to it. Take what you have, throw it in the crock pot, leave it for 8-9 hours. So it's been darn near 9 hours. So we'll pull the meat, and then what I'll also do is I'll strain all the veggies out of the broth, and then I'm gonna put the pulled meat, veggies, everything back in here, mix it all in with some barbecue sauce. Usually put in a pretty liberal amount. That said, I'm not trying to drown the flavor of everything, so start with maybe less than you think you need and mix it in. You can taste test it, and of course if you like the sauce, you can always add more on a sandwich later. 20 minutes of real hands-on work. Picked up some sides from the grocery store, and we're eating well.